Welcome back to SportsCenter. Breaking news from the NBA. Adrian Wojnarowski, our senior NBA insider, with us. Woj, what do you have?
The big one, Chris Paul is headed to the Phoenix Suns. He'll go on a multi-player deal from Oklahoma City. And now the Suns and Robert Sarver in the Western Conference, they become a real factor in this Western Conference race. Devin Booker very much wanted Chris Paul in this trade and really pushed the organization. And now Chris Paul is headed in a package that I'm told is going to include Ricky Rubio, Kelly Oubre, Jalen LeCue, a 2022 first-round pick from Phoenix to Oklahoma City, who now have 17 first-round picks between now and 2026, and Ty Jerome, who was a draft pick of theirs last year in Phoenix. But for the Suns, bringing on Chris Paul at this point in his career off of a tremendous season, really recreated his value again with the Thunder last year. There were those who thought Oklahoma City might have to give an asset to get his contract off, and instead they get some good young players. They get another first-round pick. But the Suns, who played great in the bubble this summer with Monty Williams, Chris Paul, this is the first time in a very long time Robert Sarver has had this kind of leadership with this organization. And Chris Paul gets a chance to be with a young team with very much of an upward trajectory in the Western Conference.
So what's the long-term plan for OKC in making this move?
Well, you're going to continue to see OKC with these veteran players continue, I think, to move off assets. They have Steven Adams. They have, certainly still an all-star level center in the Western Conference. They traded Dennis Schroeder. That was finalized. He goes to the Lakers. But this is an Oklahoma City team that's got Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, who's their point guard of the future. And they have more assets than any organization has ever assembled in putting together a rebuild, and they're going to get a lot of cracks at it. They got 2 first-round picks in this draft Wednesday night.
Chris Paul to the Suns, OKC rebuilding for the future. Adrian Wojnarowski with the very latest. Thank you, brother.
Thanks, Jay.
Thanks for watching ESPN on YouTube. For live streaming sports and premium content, subscribe to ESPN+.